Daryna, this is
Nadia.
And this is
Sophia.
Welcome back to our channel. So today we got 3 awesome toys.
Yeah. But I wanted this. I'm gonna open this one first. I'll open this.
First, we're gonna open
The top one?
this one.
Yeah.
It is called Yoocaa or Yoocaa. I don't know how to.
Yoocaa. Yoocaa.
But it's really cool. It comes with dinosaur cars, and then
Yeah.
it comes with little dinosaurs.
Yeah, and they're going to be gel on it.
Yeah, that's funny actually. Okay.
That's why I love it.
Okay, let's open all the toys. I'm gonna open. I want to open. I'm opening one.
There's a waterfall here, guys.
Yeah, there's a waterfall.
It's a volcano.
Okay, so we're gonna have.
The floor is lava, guys.
Guys, this one's really cute. I don't know, but I like this dinosaur more. Really cute. And then we got some 2 trees, which we're going to put one over here.
Uh-oh.
It doesn't want to stand. Okay, we're gonna pretend it's standing. So then the car can go in.
Here's the people.
I got another truck. Hold on, wait.
Hi, Zoe. Zoe's here. Zoe's here. The cute little puppy. The cut's here. Zoe, stop. The cut's here. Zoe's so scared. Can I hold it open?
Okay, we got our. Oh, there's 4 trucks. Okay, finally did it. That's really hard, but my.
Zoe's
It's really
here.
cute.
There's Zoe, the cute little puppy.
Here we got these 2 dinosaurs. This one's really cute. We have 2 matching ones. That's adorable.
What is this, guys? Fence?
Yeah, a gate. I don't think it's a fence because So let's put some dinosaurs in here. Let's put this one.
Okay, this one will look after it. Hi, Sophia. It's kind of weird.
But yeah, this is super fun. I'm definitely gonna play with this a lot. I like that it comes with a mat, so you could pretend that you're in here. And there's some dinosaurs on the mat. It's awesome.
Oh.
And, yeah. And this is for girls and boys, I think. I don't know. We love it though. It's so cute.
Yeah, not a
Okay,
jail.
should we open the next one? So now we're gonna be opening this one. I think this one's really cool. This one's gonna be my favorite. I love that.
This one is
I don't know.
my
It's
favorite.
just my favorite.
This one is my favorite.
Already done.
So that is everyone. I love it. So cute. So mine is Blueberry. This is Grassy. And Sophie, what are you naming yours, honey? Yeah. So yeah, I love it. It's my new pet dinosaur.
Mom, I was not ready for my dinosaur, but I'm still working on that.
Okay, it's time for the next one. So now we got this.
Oh
my God. Oh my.
There's
Erasure? Is it erasure?
eraser.
Okay, so we have this one.
Look. We don't know what to do that. So we have to open this one. Look, there's a lot
We're
of.
gonna need this.
Oh, this is kind of squishy. Something right here. Girl.
So basically this is the projector toys, and basically it projects them and it gives you lots of options. And then you just spin it and you could raise it up, down, and it will reflect, and then you can outline the picture.
How big?
And also you could just draw on it.
Try.
So, and it comes with lots of markers.
I wanna try
It comes with lots of markers.
I want to try it.
It comes with lots of markers.
I want to try it.
All different colors. Well, a couple same.
I
But
wanna
yeah, that's
try.
really cool.
I want to try that. I want to do a cat. Cat. I'm going to do a cat. Yes, I want it. Oh my god. I have to do this right. I see that.
What is there?
We went bowling before. Nadia, move. Nadia, move. Nadia. Oh. Okay, try again. I got to try again. Nadia, stop. Yeah, I do that sometimes.
But it's okay.
But little bunny. There's a bunny right here.
So, yeah, that is everyone. But before we go, make sure to subscribe and like this video and turn on post notifications if you haven't already. So yeah, that's it. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.